I have already discussed p tag, h1 tag and h6 tag in my previous video, so if you have missed that, please watch that. So let's talk about the span tag. For that we are going to check the description in W3 School. Okay, in W3 I have opened the span tag in W3 School. As you can see here, in the definition section they are saying the span tag is used to group inline elements in a document. The span tag provides no visual changes by itself. The span tag provides a way to add a hook to a part of a text or a part of a document. So what does that mean? Let's add a span tag at the end of it. SPAN, span, start, and SPAN. Again, closing the tag as well. What I am starting, I am closing as well. Let's give it this text is in SPAN span tag. Okay, let me save it and go to my website so I can review that. So this is the text that has appeared. Let's add another text right next to this one and we will call it p tag, and let's see what is different there. Okay, I have not closed it. So p tag, this is a p tag. Let me close it as well. So let's save it. Okay, I have saved the p tag in my document. Now I'm going to refresh this and you will see here that this is a p tag. So there is no difference between it. The span tag is often used to give a style to a certain element or a text or an image, anything that we want to give a style. So we can create different kind of animations and target this a certain content with this tag. So we will going to use this one as well. So let's create a complete website with all the tags we have learned today, and after that we will going to add a CSS in it. So see you in the next video. If you like my video, like and subscribe, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section below and I will try to reply you as soon as I can. Thank you very much.